Ano? I like you both better kapag may blush kayo dito na makapal.
I like you both better pag may thick brows. I like you both better kapag may sobrang dami kayong concealer dito.
I like you both better pag magkadikit yung kilay nyo.
I like you both better kapag malaki yung bibig. I like you both better kapag may sobrang tangos kayong ilong.
I like you both better kapag lagpas dito yung nyo, eyeshadow.
I like you both better kapag may twirl na blush. I like you both better kapag hanggang dito yung eyeliner niya.
Hindi ho ako natutuwa